I am a paramedic. Psych calls our nature old age disaster vintage retro shirt a decent part of our job. Since March, the amount of psych calls I've done has skyrocketed. It's really gonna depend on your therapist. But I get where you're coming from. I was seeing somebody for about a year before lockdown started, so the transition to remote was fairly smooth and great. She didn't really give me bull like that to start. But a frequent topic is how I can't as easily access those little coping things like going for a walk or whatever. Still, as time goes on, I've felt like I want to add DBT back into my routine. Nature old age disaster vintage retro shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. But I DK if I'll get as nature old age disaster vintage retro shirts Zoom call. I did a couple of consults but never followed up because it didn't seem worth it. I am currently using this for a phobia. There are some logistical hurdles role-playing that we are working around, but I'm so happy to get help and I'm seeing progress. I highly recommend getting help, even in a less than ideal format. Prior to the pandemic, I considered our sessions as maintenance to lessen flares of anxiety, PTSD, and depression. I've had a rough ride over the past few months in the anxiety department, but it has been manageable, in large part because of access to a skillful, well-matched therapist. Other product.